There is a really quick way of improving your happiness and making your life way more enjoyable, and you can do it like this overnight. So for you to understand it better, let me tell you a story first. There was a guy called Thomas Edison. If you have history classes, you probably heard of him. Thomas Edison was like a really successful American inventor, and when he was 67 years old, his factory was destroyed in a fire. As the factory was burning down in flames, he called his son and his wife to come watch because they will never see a fire this big again. So he could enjoy that moment even though his entire life's work was burning down in flames. Imagine if you can adapt this mentality for everything in your life. If you can find happiness, enjoyment, and pleasure in things that are bad, then what can reduce from your happiness? The reason why you are unhappy all the time is not because bad things are happening to you. It's because you choose to react in a certain way to them. But if you could pick up the mindset that Thomas Edison had in this situation, you wouldn't be sad no matter what happens to you. So if Edison could watch his entire factory, entire life's work being burned down in flames overnight and enjoy that moment, then you can still be happy after being rejected by a girl. Just think about how great this mindset could make life. So from now on, try to think of it as a challenge, that whenever something bad happens, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, you find a positive side of it. Edison said that you need to find value even in disaster. And that's all I had to say in this video. If you liked it and you want to see more like this, you can go down and subscribe. This will help both you and me, so it's a win-win situation. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.